What's the meaning of canteen culture? Canteen culture. Canteen culture.
Canteen culture. Canteen culture. Canteen culture refers to the social norms and practices that are established within a workplace's cafeteria or break room. It can include topics of conversation, behaviors, and attitudes that are unique to that particular environment. This type of culture can have both positive and negative effects on the workplace. On one hand, a strong canteen culture can foster a sense of community and camaraderie among employees. On the other hand, it can also reinforce negative behaviors such as gossip, cliques, and exclusion. Overall, a workplace should aim to cultivate a canteen culture that promotes inclusivity, positivity, and professionalism.